بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Click on the link below for the online test. Translated Holy Quran in Punjabi. Hafiz Lakvi. First translated the Holy Quran into Sindhi. Arkund Azizullah. How many angels are mentioned in the Holy Quran? 7. Surah Muzammil means wrapped in garments. Surah Ankabut means spider. The major part of Holy Quran is revealed at time, night. Mazi Tarawi is Sunnat. Prophet Hazrat alayhi salam, known as Sheikh al-Anbiya, Noah. Who translated Holy Quran in Persian? Shah Waliullah. Who is known as Adam-e Sani? Nuh alayhi salam.